Tia, this is Brittany. Um, I have to say I love your resume. You have your name, your email, your email address underneath your name, which is good. Also, you have your adjective, which is perfect. I'm like admired by it. And also you have your skills. That is great. Also, your work history is amazing. Really is amazing. Your education, really good. Um, Leadership, your accomplishments, it's really good. And also, like, also, you was the keynote speaker for the Phi Theta Kappa introduction ceremony. Really, it's really amazing that you were the keynote speaker. I like how you listed your skills at the beginning of your resume. It's really good. That that additional information that you really provide really enhance your resume. It gave the employer other avenues to consider whether sorry. Hi Tanya, it's Brittany. I have to say that I love your resume. I really do. You have your email address account, which is with your name on it, which is really good. So your future employer can contact you. Also, I love how that you have your adjective, which which is really good. Also, I know I like I like that you had to. I like you have your skills at the beginning of your resume, which is really good. Also, your work history is amazing, really amazing. So, really good job on your resume.